Welcome to the Book Hackers Podcast. I'm Cindy Minear.
I'm Tammie Chrin, and we are the co-founders of the Book Hackers Club. If you're listening to this, you probably are a self-publisher who is ready to grow your business, and that's exactly why we're here. What is a book hacker, you ask? A book hacker is a self-publisher who is growing their business by creating books that provide value for their target audience while building a sustainable business.
We'll cover marketing, branding, sales, and everything in between. If you're ready to fast-track the growth of your self-publishing business, you've come to the right place. Our goal is simple: to help you think and act like an entrepreneur. Every Thursday, we'll share tips and resources designed to help you master all aspects of your self-publishing business while having fun along the way.
Ready? Let's start.
Welcome to the Book Hacker Show. What is a book hacker? A book hacker is a self-publisher who is growing their business by creating books that provide value for their target audience while building a sustainable business. I'm Tammie Chrin.
And I'm Cindy Minear, your host of the Book Hacker Show. And today, we're going to talk about making a recurring income stream with KDP by collaborating with businesses using the KDP for B2B method. Let's get started. So Tammie, can you tell us what the KDP for B2B method is?
Sure, Cindy. The KDP for B2B stands for Kindle Direct Publishing for Business to Business. It's a method that teaches self-published entrepreneurs how to use your KDP skills to put content into booklets, then collaborate with other businesses to produce more income streams.
Wow, that sounds really interesting. How did you come up with this method?
Well, I actually developed it in 2018. My entrepreneurial journey started in the late 1900s, as my daughter would like to joke around with me and say. And after 30 years in the salon industry, my husband and I started an Amazon business side hustle in 2014. And we kept building our Amazon business until I took a KDP course in 2017. And as all of us, we get so excited selling our journals, and we get the book up there and cricket. I had no sales. Actually, take that back. I had one sale and it found out it was my sister, which I was grateful for, but it didn't pay the bills. And that's when I thought there must be a better way to make sales. And then it popped into my head, what about creating branded booklets for businesses? And that when I started meeting with business owners and asking them this magic question: have you ever thought about having your own branded booklet for your company? And I got so many yeses, Cindy. And that's basically how KDP for B2B was born in 2018, was that very moment when I started asking the businesses if they ever thought about having a branded booklet for their business.
Wow, that's really awesome. So what does this method entail exactly?
The KDP for B2B method is a collaboration between businesses and self-publishers, which enables a business to have their content put into booklets created by you, the self-publisher. Let me give you an example. I've created a coffee tasting journal booklet for an online coffee subscription box. So we created this coffee journal and we added a branded booklet with the coffee company's story, their contact information, and our favorite, a QR code, so they can order more coffee when the customers are ready to buy again. And you can create workbooks for people who have courses. You can think about this for journals, for therapists, notebooks for really any business, and guides for something like a hiker. So any type of business that would use maybe like a progress tracker, like a gym, trainers, nutritionists. So this can be for multiple types of businesses. You can pick different types of books that would fit. And I know Cindy and I, we both have created workout booklets for gyms that we belong to. And Cindy, can you share with the audience the booklet you created for your gym?
Sure, Tammie. You're the one that gave me the idea to approach my gym owner about creating a booklet. She runs a fitness challenge a few times a year, and I knew that she had one coming up. So I sent her a text message asking if she'd be interested in creating a book challengers can use to track food, workouts, water, and points each day. She loved the idea, and we got together over the course of a few weeks, created the booklets, and put them on Amazon through KDP. She had the challengers purchase the books themselves off Amazon. After the challenge was over, she got great feedback on the booklets. Everyone loved having a place to write everything down each day of the challenge. And now she wants to create more booklets with a planner branded for her gym at the top of her list. There are so many options for books she can create for her gym members.
That's right, Cindy. With the KDP for B2B method, businesses can have all different types of booklets. I'm going to give you an example. As realtors, real estate professionals could use a Getting Your Home Ready to Sell checklist booklet. Or you can have a home maintenance checklist as a gift for the new homeowner. So these realtors are using these books as a lead magnet, so getting your home ready to sell, or as a gift to the new homeowner as a maintenance checklist. And you insert the realtors' logos, graphics, contact information, and the QR code, and maybe their headshot that they have, and put that all in that booklet so that homeowner will always have the contact information for the realtor in months down the road. You then make money off of each book created and sold without having to drive any traffic to the booklet. Now, this is you as a self-publisher. This is how you're making money. You have these books created, and then the business that you're working with is driving the traffic to the booklet, because the business has all the clients and they are driving the traffic there. You are putting this under your KDP account as the self-publisher, and there's no ads to run and no keywords required.
Now, that's what I'm talking about, Tammie. I know you could talk about the KDP for B2B method all day, and we've just touched upon this method at a high level today. How can our audience find out more about the KDP for B2B method, Tammie?
The best way to get more information is to get on my email list at bookhackers.us, that's bookhackers.us, or at my website at tammiechrin.com, that's TAMMIECHRIN.com. We'll put it in the show notes below, and we have a lot more information to share with you. We also have pre-made templates for businesses. We'll have those links below, and we basically have you covered in pretty much any business that you're working with. We have pre-made templates for you, and I'll add those to the show notes.
That's awesome, Tammie. Here's a recap of what we discussed in this episode. Start by connecting with either an online or brick and mortar business to let them know about creating booklets for their business. Then create a branded booklet using the business's content, logo, content info, and images. Don't forget to charge a setup fee for helping them create the booklets. Then publish the booklet under your KDP account with added royalty for you as the self-publisher. The businesses can then buy books from Amazon directly, or they can buy author copies from you.
In our next episode, we'll talk about how to legally use quotes in your books. Always a great topic, knowing what quotes can be used and what quotes cannot be used legally. Thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule and joining us today.
If you like what we're sharing on the Book Hackers Show, join our Book Hackers Club, where we dive deeper into helping you build a strong and sustainable self-publishing business. Go to bookhackers.us, that's bookhackers.us, and join us every Thursday if you're ready to turn your self-publishing into a sustainable business. We would be very grateful if you would like, follow, share, and subscribe to the Book Hackers Show. Bye for now.
Thanks for listening. Join Cindy and Tammie each week for tips to help grow your self-publishing business. Don't forget to like and follow us on social media, as well as share with others who could benefit from our advice. Our website is bookhackers.us.